Oliver the Owl and Penny the Porcupine. Oliver the Owl is the wisest of all the animals. He lives in a tree in the forest. All of the animals bring their problems to him. One day, Penny the Porcupine came to see Oliver. "Oliver, I have a problem." "What is it, Penny?" "It's my quills." "What about them?" "I don't like them. My friends won't play with me because they're afraid my quills will stick them." "Be glad you have quills, Penny." "Why, Oliver?" "Because your quills help protect you. If you didn't have quills, your enemies could hurt you. You are special and unique." Penny smiled. "Thank you, Oliver. I like my quills now." Penny went to find some friends to play with.